Hi everyone, my name is Robert J. Bailey, and today I want to talk to you about something that can potentially cost you thousands of dollars, your health, and your peace of mind. It's the new IRS scam spreading in 2025. So if you file taxes, this video is for you. Now the IRS has just released its 2025 Dirty Dozen list. That's their annual warning about the 12 worst scams targeting taxpayers. These scams are modern, high-tech, and highly deceptive. And just like other types of scams, they use fear, urgency, and official-looking messages to trick even the most careful people. So let's go over the top 3 most dangerous scams you need to know about. The first one is a phishing scam. Scammers use fake emails and text messages pretending to be from the IRS. They'll say things like, "There's a problem with your tax return," or "You're owed a refund. Click here to claim it." Now these messages look real. They have the exact IRS logo, colors, and even the email addresses might seem legitimate. But here's the truth. The IRS will never contact you first by email, text, or social media to ask for money or any personal information. The IRS always initiates first contact by letter through the U.S. mail. So if you get one of these texts or emails, don't click it, don't reply, and don't call the number. And if you do get a letter that appears to be from the IRS, I don't want you to call any of the numbers in the letter. Call the IRS's main number. It's 1-800-829-1040. And go through the process to speak to a representative and read them the letter information so they can verify if it's a real letter from them or not. I have that number in the description below. Now, the next big scam involves imposters pretending to help you. And this is a big one that's going to be very big as we head into this year's tax season. Now remember, from now on, the IRS will no longer be mailing out paper refund checks. All refunds will now be sent directly to your bank account. Scammers know this, and they'll be calling or emailing you saying, "We can help you set up your IRS online account," or "We can expedite your refund for a small fee." In reality, they're collecting your social security number, your bank account information, and your login credentials. And they're going to steal your identity and your savings. So if someone contacts you offering to help with your IRS account or refund, it's almost certainly a scam. Now for these first 2 scams, if you're over 45, you're more likely to be targeted by the scammers. Now why? Well, it's simple, because you're likely to have retirement accounts, more money in your bank accounts, Social Security benefits, and consistent tax filing history. And scammers see that as an opportunity. Now, the third major scam involves viral tax advice on social media, places like TikTok and Facebook. Now, you might see posts saying something like, "Here's how to write off your pet as a guard dog," or "Claim a $7,500 secret refund the IRS doesn't want you to know about." Well, that sounds great, doesn't it? Except most of these are completely false, and following them could trigger an audit or a fraud investigation. The IRS has specifically warned that fake refund schemes and social media tax hacks are among the fastest growing scams of 2025. So, okay, let's recap. Number 1, don't open or respond to texts or emails claiming to be from the IRS. Ever. If you get a letter, call the IRS at 1-800-829-1040 and talk to a representative to verify that the letter is authentic. Number 2, don't respond to calls, texts, or emails claiming to be from someone who can help you set up your banking information with the IRS or get your refund faster. They're most likely fraud. And finally, number 3, don't listen to social media tax hacks who claim they share a secret refund the IRS doesn't want you to know about. It's false. And please remember, don't fall for the urgency scammers use to scare you into acting right now. Just stop, breathe, and think, and then verify for yourself. Now, if you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and the subscribe buttons. This channel is dedicated to informing you so that you can keep more money in your pocket where it belongs. And I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever received an IRS fake message or call? Tell me about it in the comments. Or just leave a question for me. I read every comment and I respond to every one of them. Now, until next time, this is Robert J. Bailey, CPA, and most importantly, please be well. I'll see you soon.